Hi there, it's Gladys, and I'm in Palm Springs staying at the Riviera. Super excited to show this room. We're in the 8th building, so it's right next to the lobby, and we're on the 2nd floor. So give you a little quick walkthrough of our room. So right when you first walk in, to the right, or depending on what direction you're facing, could be on the left, is your closet. It's a pretty spacious closet. There is a light inside, so that's nice. Your safe is located in your closet. Got an ironing board there too. Light could be a little bit brighter, but that's okay. Nice flower art right there. Keep walking in. Big spacious king bed. So what I really like about this room is there's a lot of natural lighting, because at the end you have your balcony and it's just lets in so much light. Our room is facing the grass ground, so not a pool view, but it's very relaxing and tranquil. It's got your television. Your mini bar and mini fridge is in here under the TV. Your mini fridge is not stocked, so you can bring your own items and fill that up as you wish. Give a little panoramic. Comfy couch over there with a coffee table. You have some patio furniture out in the balcony too, so desk. Let's go into the bathroom. Now I love this door here. Doesn't swing open, slides open and closed. Let's check out the bathroom. Wow, that's a huge tub with a view. So you can take a bath with a view. Again, very tranquil and calming, lots of trees. So just a second balcony there. His and hers, mirrors and sinks. A lot of amenities there. Separate washroom here with a shower. Very spacious. Wow. You could have a party in there. That's such a big tub and shower. Huge, huge bathroom. Let's take one quick last panoramic of the room. So far, great service out in the lobby. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lobby. There's billiards tables, you can play pool, complimentary water, and we'll check it out. Hope you can stay here too one day. Bye-bye.